Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through the steps of creating a machine learning model for text classification. Let's get started. In this task I have two different data files, one for training the model and other for testing its performance. So we'll have to open two files using pandas library. Pandas creates data frame through reading data files, so you should put some parameters first to shape the data frame itself. It's preferred to drop unnecessary data, but it's not mandatory step in a model like this. Next, we will process the text data using the nltk library. This includes removing special characters and stop words, tokenizing words, and lemmatizing them. And those modifying processes are important because they make our model more effective. To avoid repeating codes for testing data frame and for training data frame, we will create a function that takes the text and make those changes on it, and we can apply it later on training data frame and testing data frame. Now we will convert the text data into numerical format using TF-IDF vectorization. We will also define our features X and labels Y for training. We choose TF-IDF vectorizer because it's simple and proper for the small datasets that we have here. We transform our processed text into TF-IDF features and define the datasets into training and testing sets. Finally, we will choose a model, train it, and test its performance. There are so many advanced level models like PERT and so on, but we will use a simple one implemented in sklearn, which is logistic regression. And we have to insert maximum iteration value to ensure the training process will be done in a reasonable time range. Then, we import a classification report to see the performance results of our machine model, and we execute the code and wait a few seconds.
A few moments later.
Now we have classification report of our model and tells us the accuracy of predicted value due to the correct value.